To prepare for the IELTS and TOEFL exams, starting with understanding the structure of both exams is crucial. Both IELTS, International English Language Testing System, and TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language, assess the 4 key language skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. IELTS is more popular in the UK and Australia, whereas TOEFL is frequently preferred by American institutions. The first step in your preparation is to select which exam aligns best with your study or professional goals. Once you have chosen the exam, familiarize yourself with its format. For IELTS, there are 2 versions: academic and general training. The academic version is for those who want to pursue higher education, while the general training is mostly for work or immigration purposes. TOEFL, on the other hand, is primarily academic. Both tests include similar sections, but TOEFL writing tasks are done via keyboard while IELTS is handwritten. Next, create a study plan. Dedicate a few hours each day to different sections. For instance, Monday can be devoted to reading, Tuesday to listening, Wednesday to writing, and Thursday to speaking. With the weekend for practice tests, it is imperative to practice under timed conditions. Utilize the official preparation materials available on the IELTS and TOEFL websites. These resources replicate the test structure and difficulty level. Additionally, explore third-party preparation books like The Official Guide to the TOEFL Test by ETS or Cambridge IELTS. Joining a prep course can also be immensely beneficial. Many online courses provide interactive platforms where you can receive feedback from instructors, join study groups, and access an extensive range of practice materials. For self-study, leverage mobile apps and YouTube channels that offer tips and practice exercises. Practice techniques are crucial for all sections. For the listening section, regularly listen to English podcasts, news, and TED Talks to familiarize yourself with different accents and speeds. In the reading section, focus on skimming and scanning techniques to quickly locate information. For writing, practice regularly by responding to various prompts, ensuring you can organize your thoughts clearly and succinctly. It's helpful to review high-scoring sample essays for structure and vocabulary insights. Speaking practice can be the most daunting, but it is vital. Practice speaking English daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can record yourself, engage in conversations with native speakers, or participate in language exchange programs. Tools like Grammarly can help polish your writing, while language apps like HelloTalk can connect you with native speakers around the world. Additionally, manage your time wisely during preparation and the actual exam. During your preparation, learn to pace yourself to complete each task within the given time. On the exam day, begin with high-confidence tasks to build momentum. Lastly, keep stress at bay by getting adequate sleep the night before the exam and practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Preparing for the IELTS and TOEFL exams requires a well-rounded approach, incorporating structured study plans, diverse practice techniques, and stress management strategies. With consistency and dedication, you can achieve your desired scores.